Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the diverter assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 7mm and 1/4-inch nut drivers, Phillips screwdriver, and a long flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new diverter assembly and several hose clamps. The diverter assembly is mounted in the center of the sump housing. It diverts, or in other words, channels water between the lower, the middle, and the upper spray arms during operation. If dishes are not clean coming out of one of the dish racks at the end of the cycle, check the diverter assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case the water will leak down, and then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. And using the 7mm nut driver, I'm going to loosen up that clamp, move it down, and then I'm gonna take off the hose from the air gap. Be careful, it might have some water in there. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the dishwasher. I'm gonna hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. So now we're gonna place the dishwasher on the side. We need to remove this hose clamp. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry this clamp open. And now we can remove it. And discard it. So now I'm going to remove the second clamp. Using the flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to pry it open. We can discard it. So now we need to remove the main wash pump by pulling it to the side. So we can release this hose, the one at the bottom, and this retainer on the top here. So now I'm going to open this clamp here on the side. I'm going to bend it with a flat blade screwdriver. And turn it around, and the same thing on this side. I'm going to remove the cover. And we're going to unplug the motor plug here. Now we have an easy access to the diverter assembly. I need to take out the 3 1/4-inch screws that holds it in place. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver. And I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, going to assist in prying it out. This is the old diverter assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to clean the seat before we can install a new diverter assembly. I'm using a sponge and soap. Wipe it clean, and now we can install the new diverter assembly. I'm going to put soap on this rubber seal so it will get in easier. And we're going to match this holes and push it in. And now we're going to secure it with the 3/4 inch screws. I'm going to connect the plug to the motor. Then I'm going to install this cover. Press it in. Let it go for a sec. I'm going to install the hose clamp that they're supplied in the kit. I'm going to put it this way. We need to push the clamp down so it would be out of the way. And then we are going to place the clamp here on this part. And I'm going to use a little soap. Put it on the inside. Both hoses here. And now we're going to start installation. Alright, so we're going to start with sliding this hose on. And as long as it's going to go on just a little bit, and turn it around here and install this one in. And at the same time, we need to watch this upper clamp. Retainer goes in. Press it forward here. Make sure that we got all the connections in. And I'm gonna slide I'm gonna use this 7mm nut driver. I'm gonna slide the clamp back on. And I'm gonna tighten it. And now the bottom one. I'm going to slide the clamp onto the hose into the position where it's supposed to be on the top. And I'm going to use a 7mm nut driver. And I'm going to tighten it. And now we're going to move this one also and tighten it. Same 7mm. Alright, now I'm gonna put the power cord in and the drain hose, and we can place the dishwasher upright, and we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're gonna duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve, then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench. And then we can take out the towel and the container. Now I'm going to install the drain hose to the air gap and push it on and slide the clamp on. And I'm going to tighten it using the 7mm nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.